Hello, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome to my channel. And today I will show you step by step on how to create illusion element by using Adobe Illustrator. As we know that illusion element can guide attention of a viewer's eyes to specific parts of design and creating a focal point or path for eye to follow. It creates visual highlight, add depth and dimensions, create movement, sometimes enhance aesthetics, and provide a feedback. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, I will make it as simple and easy to follow. Now let's get started. First, go to a rectangle tool and create a square. If you are finished, go to Object, then choose Path, and grind it, or split it into a grind. Then number of rows, put 4. The number of columns, 4. Then press OK. Now we have to duplicate these shapes. You may go to Edit, Copy, go to Edit, paste in front. Same shapes we are. Now go to Direct Selection tool and drag the point like this to the center. After you finished, then go to Selection tool, drag all shapes. Go to Shape Builder tool and choose color you want. You want to modify the shapes to the way you want. Now start modifying your shape. Just follow the way I do. Then change color. Maybe let us choose this color. Then let us go to Direct Selection tool. We have to remove unwanted area, or we want to delete unwanted area. Start this with this one. Then press delete on your keyboard. Now let us change the color of our choice. This time, I'm going to fill a gradient on this ellipse. Change color of these shapes to dark blue. Then if you are satisfied, group them and duplicate. Right click, transform, deflect vertical. Press OK. Also group them, duplicate again, then right click, transform, reflect, this time reflect horizontal. Press OK, then group again, I hope you got the same result. Now let us change the color of our background. Now right click, arrange, then send it to back. I hope you got a good result. Now drop your comment if you enjoyed the tutorial, and in case you got trouble, drop your comment. I'll help you. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials and tips. You'll be notified immediately after I upload it. Thank you and see you until next time.